हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अभी हम आए इंडियन एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल ऑब्जर्वेटरी पे। आप देख सकते जहाँ पे एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है। यहाँ का कंट्रोल बेंगलोर से होता है और अभी ये हल्ले में है, तो इसका कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है। टेलीस्कोपिक है, यहाँ से वहाँ से ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है। अभी हम आपको लेके चलते आगे। फ्रेंड्स, ये इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स है, हिमालयन चंद्रा टेलीस्कोपिक। अभी हम एंट्री करने वाले हैं।
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, यही सामने जो है आप यहाँ का मेन ऑब्जर्वेटरी का टेलीस्कोप है ये।
अच्छा
2000 में ये लॉन्च होता मतलब डिप्लॉय हुए थे, मतलब उसके लिए साइंटिफिक पर्पज के लिए। 2000 onwards continuously it is actually serving to the international astronomer. Up till now more than 600 paper already published है इंटरनेशनल जर्नल में। तो इसमें दो मिरर है, मीन्स टू मिरर्स आर देयर, प्राइमरी मिरर एंड सेकेंडरी मिरर inside here. So I'll just I'll show you. This is actually, right now you can see only the back side of the primary mirror, okay?
Right.
This is the primary mirror. It's actually parabolic. Parabolic means we do have actually that satellite communication dish antenna in every home, yeah.
Right.
So it is kind of parabolic, it's concave, yeah. The same thing is here also, yeah. So this parabolic mirror actually exposed to the sky through that opening, yeah. Right now it is closed, but in evening time it will open up. So the half will go to the right and half will go to the left, and then the opening will be exposed to the sky. Sky image will fall, come to the primary mirror. Primary mirror actually it reflects the image to the secondary mirror, converging them.
Oh.
See, secondary mirror is visible there. See.
So it takes a bigger picture and forms a smaller picture.
Yeah. It's actually the beam actually it's converts to the secondary, and secondary further it converts reflects back to one hole is there in the center of primary mirror. Through that primary mirror hole, image will come over to this area in the center here. This is actually focal plane here. This is focal plane and installed with 5 scientific cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras are there, and so whoever astronomers interested in that any particular this device or the instrument detector, they can actually select that particular instrument and observe. So one speciality with this observatory is it is remote controlled. So scientists or astronomer not to come over here for observation. Setting in Bangalore itself, they can utilize the facility, yeah. Rotating the dome, moving the telescope, pointing the telescope to the object, and all this. Okay, and see, we have satellite communication link here. Here we don't have that this commercial telephone connectivity, communication connectivity like optical fiber and this DSL and Airtel and all this. Yeah. So yeah, still it is we are dependent on satellite communication link, but in future, yeah, it may we shift out to the commercial this communication link, yeah, because this is quite heavy, but very costly, yeah, satellite
But
communication
that
link.
must be faster, right?
Fast and dedicated and reliable,
Reliable.
but very
Very
costly, yeah,
expensive,
yeah, maybe 100 times costlier or 1000 times costlier. ऐसे है। तो ये जो नीचे कंप्यूटर से वहाँ से कनेक्टेड है, मीन्स दिस ऑल डिवाइसेस वट एवर द डिजिटल कैमरास आर देयर विच इज computer controlled. So computers are connected to the Bangalore via satellite communication link, and they can actually exposure time and then their gains, whatever the settings configuration they can do from Bangalore itself. Yeah. And then the telescope works in such a way that see, we have our satellite satellite owner, this is Google Map. We do use there the coordinate system for this lat and long, right? If we put the lat and long of Delhi Connaught Place, then it will zoom to the Connaught Place. Right. Same thing is the situation in the this outer space. It is actually designated with similar kind of coordinate system. Yeah, the coordinate system we call that right ascension and declination. It's
The
just
angles.
it's just similar to the lat and long. So PC our system, the computer is actually installed with a database. Put the coordinate, then this telescope will go to that particular, it point to that particular location, a star. We don't need to move it with our manually, left, right, and this, there is nothing like to put push or pull with some key joystick kind of. It is totally automatic. This way it's rotate also. Yeah. This can be rotated. This is azimuth. It can rotate like this and it will bend down like this. Yeah. See, above 10 degree or not, it can scale whole sky. 360 degree whole sky it can. Because this.
So the whole facility can move.
Yeah. The whole structure will rotate around. So this is actually installed with motor and wheels are there. The whole structure will rotate around. If telescope look to this direction, then dome will rotate around here. Come to this direction. The opening will be pointing to this direction. Will come. And then these two are actually synced. Dome and the telescope will work together. It's connected together. जी ऐसे है और क्या करें?
The whole data shipped on Bangalore.
हाँ, because see, we have the limited bandwidth of communication. So while observations are, we don't transfer that data to the Bangalore because it will disrupt the communication for operation.
Okay.
Once it is finished, then daytime we are transferring the log data, whatever we have accumulated in the night time. We transfer it and later process that.
Okay, fine.
Here we, from the engineering background, we don't have any much knowledge or my background from the science perspective. Even we don't know that who is observing tonight. We just keep the things ready. As a.
So this machinery is also you maintain?
Yeah, like communications, our responsibility. If something electrical fault is there,
Those things.
this electronics faults are there, and then optics alignment fault is there, mechanical problems that we need to maintain it, we need to restore it. ऐसा है. बाकी क्या कहेंगे? बाकी हाँ. Science, this is actually government of India actually purposely develop this infrastructure to grow our young generations to more into science, more into development, more into technology. Yeah, because we put effort into developing these optic systems, electronic systems, and communication systems. And so many efforts are there. The same thing can be productive or good for any other person. It can be, if we develop a good into optic system, that can be used in defense and defense. So yeah, medical facility it can be used because whatever we develop that it can be benefits to other students. This way, so students particularly it's good to visit this place.
फ्रेंड्स, अभी आपने जो अंदर से देखा उसका ये ऊपर का जो पार्ट ही घूमता है और आधा पार्ट घूमने के बाद खुलता है. उसके बाद ये टेलीस्कोपिंग जो नक्षत्र तारों की इंफॉर्मेशन निकल के देती है और ये टोटल इंफॉर्मेशन बेंगलोर में स्थित साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का वहाँ पे स्टोरेज होता है और उस पर स्टडी किया जाता है.